Guys, welcome back to another video. So today as I told you guys, right, what exactly, right? So we formed this beautiful left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of purple, and then we did taper up, right? So it was a good move up, but pretty slow move up per se. So realistically, so you'd really be in this trade for like the whole day essentially, right? So depends if you want to take this type of trade, right? It was just tapering top, right? So now what we really have to see, right? You can say that this cup, right? Essentially will did close, right? Um, so what we have to wait for right now is this left shoulder head off of here, and then this beautiful right shoulder off of here, and then um, microstructure of a right shoulder, and then we keep heading up, right? But first you need to see literally again have the same algos form, this purple again form right here, right? So you need to see um, well, first of all, you need to see how deep we go, right? We could go as deep as back to pink right here, then right shoulder off of purple right here, and then pink, right shoulder off of pink, and then head up, right? So I don't know, to be honest, if tomorrow we'll have that move essentially, because we might just spend the whole day building liquidity, and then on Monday we have that big another move up. But tomorrow, if we are headed down, then expect to take a actually to take a trade, but first you have to be careful, um, really, and wait for it to break price to break below 5 day, right? And we take it off the orange right shoulder off of orange 5 day right here, and then all the way down to this inverse cup close. Or if we have enough pressure, we'll most likely keep heading down and find support either at this level, this blue, or at the 50 day, right? Which should come up, right? So depends tomorrow. If we do head down tomorrow, we do have an opportunity for a big massive trade tomorrow, so look out for that. And the first entry for that would be at the break of orange right here, right shoulder off of here, and then seeing the structure right here. If we do get this microstructure of a right shoulder right here, another entry all the way down to this close of this big inverse cup at this level, right? um, so yeah, look out for that. And even depends, like if we even have stronger selling, right, then we break down below, and then we can catch the right shoulder off of here, and then keep heading down, right? So depends if we are what really is tomorrow. But realistically, if you're headed up, you probably have to let tomorrow build the liquidity however deep we go, right? And then go from there, right? But do not be full short, even because if we go down tomorrow, it's to build the liquidity, right? But we don't know for sure. We don't have confirmation of a short. So to even have confirmation, you need to see price break below the 5 day, and then use some sort of type of right shoulder of a 5 day, and then you can be in your short and hold it, right? But without that, there's no confirmation, right? Because the market could just be building liquidity off of here, right, and then head up, right? So you don't want to get trapped. So it's very important to be careful. But yeah, but if we are building liquidity today, be careful. Don't overtrade, and wait for the structure to short. And then for longs, you probably will have to wait till Monday um, if we don't build liquidity fast enough in Friday AM. And yeah, so definitely tomorrow PM session should be where the trade is, if there is a trade. But yeah, let the AM session reveal itself, like let the market reveal itself in the AM session, and then um, all you have to do is that, and just take wherever trades you find from their structure, right? But realistically, the first trade would be left shoulder head, beautiful right shoulder off of here, um, and then um, come down here. And depends if you have enough selling, we could even break down, keep breaking down, and then we can either also grab the liquidity from here. But if you have, again, enough selling, it depends on how much volume selling pressure really comes in tomorrow. But even if we have enough selling, right, then we'll just close this inverse cup right back down at 657. So we realistically have a pretty good move if we're headed down tomorrow, and that's pretty common with Friday, right? Big move, right? So it depends. Just pay attention, look out for that, and don't have a bias, right? But we can build this liquidity really nicely for a way up, right? So for example, right, we can definitely left shoulder head right here, and then right shoulder off of here, and then keep heading up, right? So don't get trapped. This would be definitely a trap, so you need to wait for the 5-day at to be used as a right shoulder, and then even seeing where the 20-day, right, and where the 20-day, we can use a 20-day as a right shoulder as well, right? So things to pay attention for. I'm extremely tired. Sorry guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great day. But today, also let me just show you today's chart, right? So it's like the tapering, right, all the way up, right? There is a good position, right? If you notice, left shoulder head, the beautiful right shoulder off of here. But again, depends if you want to take this type of trade. But yeah, like you could have taken it off of essentially blue right here, right? Um, right, so not a bad trade, but of course, like you'll be like in the trade for a while, right? Like at least well, like almost 2 hours, right? Whatever, not so hour and a half, right? So yeah, just paying attention to that, and knowing what trades to take, right? Sometimes you might be like, okay, yeah, maybe this isn't worth it for me, right? Okay, that's fine. But realistically, an entry from here would be this engulfing trade right here, and this inverse head and shoulder right here, right? And yeah, so take it from there, right? Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye.